India has hit a record-breaking milestone. In 2024, the country exported iPhones worth over 1 trillion rupees, a massive 42% jump compared to the year before. China once ruled as the undisputed manufacturing hub for Apple's iPhone. But now, India is rising to claim the crown. So it's important to ask, does India have what it takes to replace China? India, with its growing capabilities and incentives, has emerged as a key alternative. A growing middle class with high purchasing power, looking for premium products. What better market to tap into, right? Well, it's not that simple. Despite growth in final assembly, India lacks local manufacturing of critical components, and we are still very much dependent on imports of these products from China. Then we have high import tariffs, which make it tough for Apple's suppliers to set up cost efficient production in India. India's current tariffs on electronic components are about 5 to 6% higher than countries like China and Malaysia. And India needs to fix this. Apple still relies heavily on China for a majority of its manufacturing and sales. And experts say that India is unlikely to replace it as the top market in the near term. Having said that, there's a lot of potential for Apple's growth here. We can see that by Apple's expansion plans in India. But I want to know from you, do you think India can truly replace China?
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.